Hey, what's up and welcome back everybody. I'm back with another mukbang, and today we got some hot Cheeto lobster tails. Now, a little back, way back when, I told y'all I tried lobster tails for the first time, and y'all know I like everything covered in hot Cheetos, so I was like, well, I like them, let's see if I like them covered in hot Cheetos. So that's where today's video came from. So with that, let's get started. I don't even know where I want to start. Actually, y'all, look at that. Now I made it the same way I do when I make the hot Cheeto chicken or the hot Cheeto pickles. Just pull that up off there. I do got some lime right here. I'm gonna squirt a little lime on it. Can't have hot Cheeto without lime. Now, first bite, friend. Okay. I gotta try it with my queso. Ooh, it's hot. I'm not really feeling the hot Cheeto. I'm not really feeling the lobster with the queso. But it's still a pretty good combo though, y'all. Like, okay. I done did something here. But how are y'all doing today? So doing good? Now for my drink today, I do have just some plain water. I didn't want anything else to mix with this so I could get like the full taste profile. Ooh, water is delicious. Yeah. Woo, this is a big one. Look at that. I do think next time I make these, I'll just take them completely off the lobster tail, cause your girl be struggling. A little bit more lamb on there. Now y'all, story time. Spicy. I apologize in advance if I sound a little off today. I'm a little under the weather and I'm nursing an injury back to recovery. This lime do something to it. So y'all, earlier this week, we was working in the kitchen. We were actually at the commercial kitchen. We almost done. We finishing up our last batch of cookie dough, and I'm about to go wash the dishes so we can get up on out of there, y'all. While I step out the dough from the bag, and I buckled my knee really bad. Like, I stepped through the door, right hand, right foot. Now, next, when you walk out the door, there's a prep sink to the left hand side. Once I put my left foot down, planted it, and was about to pick up my right foot to take the next step around the sink, y'all, my knee popped, buckled, and I hit the ground. Literally hit the ground. Mm. Mm. The pain was so agonizing. Like, there was other people working in the kitchen like, oh my gosh, are you okay? Like, I have not had this much pain out of my knee ever. Like, ever. It hasn't hurt this bad literally since my accident. Story time for that. Back in high school, like my sophomore, junior year, I was hit by a car. Fast forward, what, 10 years? That's the worst pain I had. Throughout the years, it's hurt here, it's hurting there, a little sting. I had a couple slight buckles, but nothing like I experienced this week. Y'all, y'all, 10 years since I've been out of high school, and this is the worst pain I've ever been in with my knee. Mm. On that flow, at that moment, I was just like, just take me to the upper room, y'all. Take me to the upper room. My mans had to carry me because I couldn't put no pressure or weight on my... Y'all, I can laugh about it now, but I truly want to cry because I am still in a lot of pain. I've been icing it. I've been doing the hot cold compresses and Epsom salt soaks. Y'all, it's... Maybe I was walking too fast, trying to get done. I don't know what in the world happened. Mm. So now I'm in recovery. I'm trying to build the strength back up in my knee, y'all. Ridiculous. I know. I know. Whew. But anyways, other than that, I'm alright. I was just a little under the weather with the coldness outside. You know how that be. I wouldn't necessarily say sick though. It's just runny nose mostly. That's it. A little congested. I'm pretty smooth though. So, anyway, I was saying before that I made these, how I make the pickles and the chicken and stuff. It's good. I like it. Would I necessarily do it again? I don't think so. Like, this is good for the one time to try this out. But I think, ooh, Jesus. But I think the lobster is just good on its own. I think it's better on its own. So, excuse me. So this won't be a snack I'll be adding to my roster or anything like that. I literally just wanted to try it out and see how it went. So I had some extra hot Cheetos and I had some extra lobsters. But I was like, do y'all want to see another hot Cheeto pickle or chicken mukbang? Or can I switch it up and do something different? So, boom, try something different. again, it's not bad. I just don't think it fits the texture. You know, you can't cook lobster that long. I don't know. It's definitely not the taste though. It's more so the texture for me. Still good though. Whew. Oh. I'm satisfied. And I ate 4 lobster tails today instead of 3 like I did last time. But, oh, my nose running again. But this time it's because they was spicy. But that's all I got for y'all today. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Oh, excuse me. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I am so grateful and thankful for y'all. I hope y'all continue to have a really good day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.